Dr. Castleberry here with yet another entry in our video syllabus series for COMM4513, Rhetoric, Persuasion, and Argumentation. Well, as we get into the latter stage of the course, weeks 4 and 5, you begin working on a final project. The final project is an infographic, and it's an infographic that merges some themes that we're interested in the course. It's an opportunity to bring in maybe even terminology, citations from readings in the class, and so you can really culminate the various areas of learning that you've been partaking in through this assignment. You'll write a proposal for it in week 4. Basically, what we're wanting you to do is not wait until week 5 to start thinking about it. We're wanting you to invest. We're going to reward you for investing creative and brainstorming space in week 4 to put a plan together so that in week 5 you can get it done in the course of the week. Now we're putting together an infographic that is it's looking at persuasion. I think the specific directions in this iteration points you toward being able to unpack soft power in terms of its rhetorical values, right? That is to say, its persuasion, and you could use readings to do that. I think we're open to entertaining larger projects that relate to exhibiting persuasion, right? Explaining and unpacking how popular artifacts persuade, or how a popular artifact or rhetorical text persuades, and use the proposal language and assignment space in week 4 to negotiate what you think you might want to accomplish, so that feedback can kind of give you an understanding of, are you heading in a direction that makes sense? Is this a good idea? Are there roadblocks or barriers that perhaps you don't see that the instructor does? Or is your proposal way out of bounds and pointing in another direction entirely and simply in need of some healthy course correction? Well, we want to give you space to succeed. We want to give you space to excel, and we want to give you space to create and innovate through the infographic project in week 5. It is what we could consider a final project of sorts, alongside that reflection essay that I mentioned in a previous video. Thank you all for listening, and I'm looking forward to seeing your creative and intellectual labor on display.